Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today also we've got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and update your Spotify app in your iPhone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply step into our video. So if you want to simply go ahead and update your app, what you gotta do is go to your phone's app store. Then once your app store is open, then you can simply go to your search bar and type in Spotify. Simply go ahead and search it up. So once you search your app, you will simply be able to find this kind of interface, right, where you can see, in my case, my Spotify is already updated, so it shows the option called open instead of update. So simply, if you want to update Spotify, you can go to your app store and then you can search the Spotify and you can simply tap on this update option that will be given. Update is basically re-downloading your app with all of the new functions that is added by the Spotify itself, and you will have a new version with some of the good changes and the good version of Spotify. So yes guys, simply going there into your app store, searching it up and updating is the way you can do it. And I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.